Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we need to use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about 2x. This one that is about number 1. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 gone here. And we can find the value of u, so u equals to number 1. When s equals to number 4, so I will put number 4 gone here. And we can find the value of u, so u equals to number 13. So number 0 we change for number 1. Number 4 we change for 13. This one we change for u. 2x minus 1 dx we change for du. So in this one we put about u to the power of 1/3. So I want to put this one go to numerator, so I need to put the negative on the power. And we have like this. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, that is about u to the power of negative 1/3 plus 1 over negative 1/3 plus 1. And we can put the bounds in here. That is from number 1 to number 13. So I will put number 13 and number 1 gone here. So we calculate this one and we got 6.79, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.